G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and what we're going to do is have a look at installing the Stefani Faucet. Okay, this could be for the single, twin and triple under sink Stefani range of water filters. Okay, so there's the box it comes in, straight out of the bag. Now we're going to install it into this sink here, and we've done installations here before obviously, so we've already got the hole drilled. All right, so there's a nice hole in the sink here, we're going to install it. If you're not aware how to drill a hole in the sink, where to drill it, that sort of thing, just have a look down below. You'll see a link there, and have a quick look at the installing and drilling of the sink for the install of the water filter faucet. But today we're just going to jump straight into it, and we'll install this Stefani faucet, and then we'll be good to go. Okay, so pretty simple, little standard black tab style faucet, and then we've got all the parts in a little bag that fit on the shaft to fit him into place. Okay, so we'll open them up, and we'll get that baby installed in there. Okay, now they're a good little faucet, same as the ones that we use in our systems, and in the sense that you take the nut off and you've got the quick connect push on fitting on the bottom, and we'll show you how to do that in a second. So the faucet's going to go through the hole like so, okay, and you've got your washers etc. here. So the first washer that goes onto the shaft is just this rubber washer. See, it fits exactly the same size as the bottom of the faucet. Then we've got the chrome plate. Now the chrome plate's generally got a protective coating on it, so just see if you can just get there with your nail and peel that off. And that's just a plastic protective coating to look after the chrome. Peel him off, and we've got a nice chrome finish. There's also the thin black washer that goes underneath that chrome spacer. And there we have it. Basically, that's what's going to sit above the sink. We push him straight down through the hole, and that's where he goes. Up from the bottom underneath will be our black plate, then our locking washer, and then our nut, okay? So we'll just put those down in underneath. Beautiful. Okay. Then we've got to get a little spanner under there and just tighten him up. Don't want to overdo it, but we want him nice and firm. Beautiful, okay? And there we go. Locked in there, locked in place, ready to go. And now we'll connect up the water hose to that faucet, okay? So we've got some good quality water pipe here. Just feed him in around the back. Okay, over the top, and here we have him here ready to go. And then what we've got to do is add the connector to that, okay? So I'm just taking off the clips. And then this connector is going to push straight on to the bottom of the faucet. It'll pull down a little bit and it'll lock in place, won't come off. And then we're going to put our red clip in the top of the collar. Like so, spin him around, it's locked in properly. Then we get our hose. Hose has got to go up in there 1.5 centimetres. Beautiful, locks him up into place. Grab our red collet, red clip, lock him into the collet, spin him around, he's locked into place. Done it good. Beautiful, we're good to go. There you have it, Stefani Faucet. Install installed in place. Thank you very much.